It is asking the user to enter value. If the value entered by user is even, it will get you the message that the number entered is even, and otherwise it will get you the message that the number is odd. But I'm not making use of modulo operator. I'm making the use of floor division operator. This double slashes are nothing but the floor division operator. In the second lecture, we understood that this is the division operator that gets you the result in decimals, that is the fractional result. This double slashes, that is the floor division operator, gets you the closest integer value. It will never get you the fractional output, it will get you the integer value. Suppose you enter value 9. By using this int method, that value which was in string format will be converted into integer and will be assigned to this num variable. So num has 9. This division operator will get you the fractional output. 9 divided by 2 will get you the 4.5 result, which will be assigned to this div num variable. This floor division operator will get you the integer value 4.5. Closest integer is 4, right? So that 4 will be assigned to this cot variable. Control will come here. Div num has 4.5 and this cot has 4. Is 4.5 equal to 4? No. So control will go into else %d. So it will go and replace this %d by the num variable's value here. That is 9. 9 is an odd number. So this is the output you get. Suppose you run this program again. This time you enter value 10. 10 will be assigned to this num variable. Result will be 5.0 by this division operator. That will be assigned to this div num variable. Here the result will be 5. That will be assigned to this quote variable. Is 5.0 equal to 5? Yes. The value of num will be assigned here. 10 is an even number. Program will get you the same output as was in modulo operator. You're running this program. Enter a value. Suppose I enter say 10. 10 is an even number. If I run this program again, I enter say 7. 7 is an odd number.